Throughout Get Booked Up, you'll see that there's various grids that display information in the system. What you'll also notice is that these columns here, they can be various different sizes. And also you may notice at the bottom of any of these grids there's a scroll bar so that you can see all the columns that are available. Now what you can do is, it's a little bit like Excel in that you can resize these column widths. And you can do that so that you can either hide items that you don't want to display, so you can make this display suit you. Now, the first time you do the installation, we recommend you work through all the screens and just resize them to make them fit onto your screen. So if you've got a large screen, you can open them up and view more details. If you've got a smaller one, you can close up the ones that aren't so important to you. So let me just show you how that works. On the name title field here, I'll give you an example. You just hover over the line, and then if you left click and drag that in, you can make that much smaller. So you can make that smaller there. Obviously the email we can't read here, so we need to highlight that. If we open that up, we can open that up until you can see all those. So you just need to go through your system and adjust all these to suit yourself and to suit your monitor size and things like that. There are a couple of other little tricks. If you right click on the column headers here, there is one that says spread columns evenly. Now that will shrink them all down so that they fit within the grid space that's available, and that will get rid of this scroll bar at the bottom, but they will just all be evenly sized. So it may be that you still then need to adjust these to suit your particular preferred view. Now you'll also find that in some of the grids, if you right click, as well as spread columns evenly, there'll be one that says spread columns proportionately. So that spreads them based on the information that's in there, and so it automatically sizes to be able to display all the information that's in there. So that's just how you can alter the grid settings within Get Booked Up to make it suit. Now to make the system remember these settings that you've put in, if you hold down the control button and then close the tab down or the window down using this white cross in the red box here, so hold down the control and do that, that will actually remember the sizes. So if I just look for those bare clients again, and if I show you this, we'll open this one up, hold down the control button, close the window. When we go back in, you'll see that it's actually remembered the size of those columns there. So that allows you to set that up on different PCs within your system, and it remembers the screen sizes on each various user's PC.